How can you do that? How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters.
और सर मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है
An actor is subject to the director. No! Enough of it! Enough of it! You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. My tone, my language, my temper.
उपराष्ट्रपति एवं राज्यसभा के चेयरपर्सन धनखड़ जी मोदी जी के परम भक्त हैं। उनके अनुसार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यानी कि संविधान मोदी जी से शुरू होता है और मोदी पर ही खत्म हो जाता है। विपक्ष को वह चूं तक करने की इजाजत नहीं देते और हमेशा उनको डांटते फटकारते ही नजर आते हैं। ऐसा ही कुछ नजारा देखने को मिला शुक्रवार की कार्यवाही में, जब किसी बात पर विपक्ष को धनखड़ जी की टोन पसंद नहीं आई, विपक्ष से बात करने का लहजा पसंद नहीं आया। इस पर मामला इतना बढ़ गया कि विपक्ष ने वॉकआउट कर दिया और धनखड़ जी ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की दुहाई देते हुए पूरे विपक्ष को लताड़ा, डांटा और फटकारा। आप देखें इस संसद का नजारा अपनी नजरों से।
One day, Mr. Chidambaram asked you how 267 notice was preceded by another motion. How can you do that? And you were agitated. Because how can you ask, how can you do that? Sir, I told them, it is not how can you do that? How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being, something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.
मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ और सर मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, you have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I'm a person who has gone out of the way. You say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. Enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
Okay, and the senior member of parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. I have to be in reaction mode. Take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. It is misconduct. You want to destabilize the entire nation. You are out to create chaos in the house. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Khadge, as a epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty.